Alright, the door back on. And it's generally a rule, if you don't have to take these hinges off right here, don't do it. If they're still set from the factory, don't take them off. But I had to take these off. You can see how I marked them. Took them up and right back on their marks. So there we go. Got a nice gap up here. Got our line back here. Our gap here is a little wide. I'm going to move the door back just a little bit. But everything else looks good. Bottom line, everything's right on. So I'll put my jack back underneath, hold her up, and we'll loosen these up. And we'll just widen our gap here in the front, move them back a little bit. Keep the top and bottom the same, keep them in line. I've got the striker adjusted. This door went in too far before. That's what you want right there. Close real nice and flush here. So we're looking good. Now we're going to do our finish work on it. So we got our fit where we want it. So we'll go from there. I'll bring you back when we make more progress. Alright, here we go with this door. Sorry about the TV blaring. I don't know what happened here on this door. We got some panel separation. They ground through it. I don't know. By this right here, it looks like the door might have been bent back on the fender. Part of this hinge was gone. Spring and roller, it was missing. So there's no stop détente on it. Could have easily bent back. So we're going to weld the outer and inner skins back together here. Go from there on it. Bring it back as we make more progress. Alright, here we are on this fender now, because we got all this all worked out, real nice. Slip around here was not good. All bent up and crunched. We were torn at both of these bolt holes. Had to weld those back in. A lot of hammer and dolly work here. I don't know, it's like they pried the inner fender out of this at some time. I'm going to have to check the fit now to make sure I have the angles right on this. It won't be just a bolt back together, I'm sure. And then on these fenders we have this panel right here. This is your inside support panel where the fender mounts to the inner fender. And they double over up here, you can see. The outer hood skin doubles over top of this panel. So what these cause, you can see right here where the lip is on them, they trap dirt and moisture in up here, and they cause this. Focus on it. See, that's on the inside lip where the hood goes. I have this fender laying on its side on top of a stand here. You can see here again, it's the top of the fender here. It's inside the hood lip. So now we've got to fix those. So that'll be the next thing on it, and I think the last on this particular fender. So. Alright, we'll bring you back as we make more progress. Alright, more fun here, more surprises. Apparently this one was wrecked at one time. Yes, that's a hole. Nice gouge along here. Another hole up here on the front. Got the bottom curve of that fender. Just great stuff. So, we're going to take and weld some sheet metal in here. Finish it off. I tell you a little trick on this, at least when they're out on the ends like this, don't cut it first. It's a rough shape, you can hold it up in place right here and weld it in, and then you can cut it after you have it tacked in place. That way you got something to hang on to. Alright, I'll bring you back when we get some sheet metal welded in these so we can get them finished off. Alright, here we go. A couple of pieces of sheet metal cut. Welded in where those two holes were. I don't know if this was hit here or what. It was like a gash was cut in it right here. It was all full of Bondo before. I took the Bondo out. So that's what we've got. A couple more little tricks. Little magnets. I don't know what these were from. I saved them out of something. They're really nice. Holding little pieces like that in place. Another little trick is to weld a piece of wire or another piece of sheet metal onto your small parts like that. Just tack them on. That allows you to hold them in place. Alright, there you go. Bring you back when we make more progress with this one.